In this video, we will introduce shallow copy and deep copy in Python. We will introduce how to perform shallow and deep copy and when to use them. A shallow copy creates a new object, but it does not create copies of nested objects inside the original object. Instead, it just references the same nested objects in memory. We can use the copy function from the built-in copy package to shallow copy objects. We can also use dictionary unpacking with 2 stars and the dict function to shallow copy objects. Now let's change some fields of the copied object. We will change the name and add a new role. If you check the original object, you will find something interesting. The name field has not been changed, but the roles field has been changed. This is because the roles field is a nested object and thus is still referencing the same list of the original object in memory. Be extremely careful when you copy an object in this way. You may accidentally change the settings globally and have unexpected side effects. To solve the problem of shallow copy, we can use deep copy. A deep copy creates a new object and recursively copies all objects inside the original object. The result is a completely independent copy. As a result, deep copy is slower than shallow copy and can be significant when the object to copy is very large. When we change anything in the copied object, the original object will always keep unchanged. So when to use shallow copy and when to use deep copy? Actually, the principle is simple. If the object to be copied has nested objects and we need to change them, we should use deep copy. Otherwise, we should always use shallow copy for performance. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content. As a senior software developer, I'm passionate about sharing my thoughts, tutorials, and solutions to promote best practices in software development. See you in the next video.